Okay. Your event is starting, and your event has started. We are live. We are freaking live. Hello. I need to tweet this. Hang on. I need to tweet this. If only there was an easier way to tweet this. What if I do this? And this? Yes, okay. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm all good. I'm all good. Yeah, it looks good. The stream looks good. It looks beaut. If I do say so myself. Hang on, I want to hear. Hang on, I need to tweet this. Yes, looks good. Okay, just wanted to hear myself for a sec. I'm gonna tweet myself. Come hang out. I am live. I am playing something. Come hang out. And I'll do that smiley thingy. Okay, we're good. We're gonna tweet. Okay. Are we good to go? Yes, we are. We're gonna play some Resident Evil Survivor, one of the most obscure games I have ever played. And this is the way Resident Evil was supposed to be, originally. Normal, easy. Let's go for normal.
Resident Evil Survivor.
President Evil Survivor. Hang on.
In 1998, a disaster struck the quiet Midwestern residents of Raccoon City. An uncontrollable outbreak of the Umbrella-created T-virus transformed the city into an inescapable death trap. To stop the outbreak from spreading, Umbrella Incorporated was forced to wipe out the entire city. However, this was not the only location where an outbreak occurred.
Wait. However, this was the... But it's still Raccoon City, right? I don't know. Let's have a sip. I think I like this game. It's a bit lame, but I like it.
You're not going to get away.
I thought there was subtitles in this game. No. Apparently not. Okay. He survived the helicopter crash, but he lost his memory. My head aches, and I can't remember anything. My only hope is this gun. I must remember. I must survive. I am going to actually read the notes.
Where am I? Oh,
Cheesy dialogue.
I don't remember anything. Who am I?
And this is where the game starts. Now, how do you aim? Okay, so I hold R1. How do you reload? There's no way to reload? No? Okay. Did you know that this is how Resident Evil was supposed to be originally? First person? What helicopter? Was I on this? Let's find out. It feels so robotic, the controls. So awkward. Anyway, let's go. And it's funny, you don't have to press X to open the gate now. Oh, the sounds are completely wrong for the doors.
You look familiar, but... Oh... But I just can't remember. Ark Thompson, huh? Though I can't remember anything, I know that this was no way for anyone to die. What?
He dropped a key. You've obtained the rusted key. I think this is the first time I'm playing it in English. The one I own actually is in... You can't look down, can you? It's weird. Alright, so let's start from this door. You've used the rusted key. Yeah, it's the first time I'm playing this in English. Ooh! Let's reload the gun. Do I get better guns eventually? I don't know. What's this? An umbrella church? Looks like it. Looks like it's an umbrella church. Alright, let's try to go this way. It's locked. Okay. Ooh. I didn't hear him making the noises. He wasn't making any sound when he was walking, was he? Magazines for young people are lined up here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's he coming from? How weird, I can't move the way I want. There's something here. An old clock is ticking. A clock winder seems to be attached to it. You've obtained the clock winder. Now it stopped ticking. Is it going to say that it stopped ticking? The clock is not working. Okay. I originally was going to stream without wearing any pants, because I hate pants, but I had to wear pants just in case I have to get up. And it's my first time streaming with the camera on. You know, like the pros do it with the camera. There's nothing here, is there? Did I come through this door? I came through this door, right? Yeah. What's this? Chapel key. Let's go. Okay, I came through this door, so now this must be open, yeah? I do. So it is a chapel. It is an umbrella chapel. Okay, I don't like this, that there's glass windows everywhere. Hey Protosam, hi! How are you? I'm good, thanks. Thank you for stopping by. I'm playing a very obscure Resident Evil title. Not many people are familiar with this one. Did you ever see this one? Why did he look around? A pinball machine. Pinball machine. Why would it be in a church? Exactly. This game is asking intelligent questions. Oh my goodness. Alright. Picking up the herb. Actually, I've never checked the status, the menu. Is there a status? Yes, there is an item thing. So I've got a handgun bullets, clock winder. Interesting. Yes, I actually own this one. Oh, you do? I have this on my PlayStation, but the one I own is Biohazard. It's in Japanese. I didn't even know that it was released in English. I just found out this morning. Okay. I only played this game once. An arcade game. There's no power for it. It's a shame. I want to get one of these in my room. In my study, not my bedroom. And my bedroom as well, why not? Hi, Sniper Cat! Hi! Hi! Okay, Manager's Diary. I'm gonna read these because it's been a while. Well, it's been a while. I haven't played this game in... could be a decade. Wow, I'm old. Today, the leaders of each section of the city, including myself, attended a meeting with the commander. The briefing was on the destruction of Raccoon City. During the conference, everyone placed blame on William Birkin. He betrayed the company and wanted to keep the G-Virus for himself. The commander told us that if there is a traitor like Birkin in the city, we should execute him immediately without question. Execute him? Okay. I wholeheartedly agree with the commander's orders. This city is as vital to Umbrella as the birth in Raccoon City was. Okay. No, it is actually much more important. We must not allow a biohazard to happen in the city. Too late. We cannot let Umbrella's efforts to buy the city and establish these billion-dollar facilities to go to waste. We should keep a closer eye on the behavior of personnel in the future. Okay. I haven't played... Me too! Yeah, must have been 10 years, yeah? I thought I was exaggerating when I said 10 years, but must have been 10 years. Why am I in this room? There was nothing useful in this room. There was nothing useful in this room. By the way, congratulations on the... what's it called? The button that you go to... Sponsor button, yeah? The sponsor button. Well done. And 24-hour stream. That's an achievement. That is an achievement that I don't think I'll ever make. 24 hours. 24 hours, man. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. I think the... look at him. Ah, he got up again. I think the cursor actually snaps onto the hitbox of the zombies. They don't bite me today. I don't like the FPS. I don't like the FPS point of view. I like the fact that this is how actually Resident Evil 1 was meant to be, I think. Oh yeah, I think a staircase opens here when I put the thing, but hang on, I'm gonna check this room first. Oh, it's locked. Resident Evil 1 was actually meant to be like this, but then they decided to copy Alone in the Dark's idea by doing it with the camera angles like Alone in the Dark. So yeah, I think there's a stairwell here. There's gonna be a stairwell once I... I'm sure it'll keep refreshing. I know the feeling of keep refreshing when you're waiting for something. Today I'm waiting for the physical release of Oddworld New and Tasty. Remember my first stream, Oddworld? They're releasing a physical copy, but there's only like... Oh my goodness, how do I shoot it? How do I shoot the spooder? Alright. Yeah, they're releasing a physical copy. They're like 5,000 of the game. 5,000 copies. Oh, I came through there. Okay. To be honest with you, I didn't really care much for this game, but you brought it to my attention that it is an important story in the Resident Evil universe, so I decided to give it a go. Again. Because when I played it the first time, the only time, and I finished the game. I didn't care much about the story. I just wanted to finish the game, and that's it. Not even reading the notes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah! Church's rare key. Why am I in an umbrella church? It's an umbrella church. Even the music is very churchy. There's nothing else, is there? Nope. I love how you have to walk into things to get to get information about stuff. Even to open the door, you just have to walk into it. You don't have to press X. There we go. This game is not that bad. I don't mind the zombies looking all the same. Okay. But it feels like it's a bit unfinished, to be honest, with some of the doors. For instance, oh my goodness, hang on. Oopsie. I'm still fine, I'm still fine. Dang it! I'm still fine. Man, the phone. Wazza! There's more? Ah, dang it. I'm still fine. I'm playing on normal. What was I saying? Yeah, I was saying about I don't care that the sounds and all the characters have been copied from Resident Evil 2 pretty much. I don't care about that really. I don't care about that. Apparently you can choose paths. I can decide to go through here or here if I'm not mistaken. I get to decide, and depending on where I go through. Apparently here there's a liquor if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah. Wow, I still remember. Of course it reloads. I'm not gonna die. Okay, maybe I should just start running. Come on, there's an herb, pick it up. Come on, I wanna kill them. One is dead. Reload, of course. Of course it reloads whenever. Oh my goodness. Alright, there's something here. I'm on caution now. Yeah, I'm mostly testing really to make sure everything's fine, and even the layout and stuff. I just want to test the layout and to see if I can look semi-professional perhaps. But yeah, eventually I want to get there. I want to start streaming, you know, properly. This was just a test mostly. But thanks. Somebody's stalking me. Hello?
Vincent.
Who is this? Vincent? Who's that? Wait. Am I Vincent?
Vincent, you are a murderer. A murderer.
A murderer? What are you talking about? Answer me. Who did I kill?
The call is coming from inside the house. I'd be more worried that if I received that call, I'd be more worried about the fact that my name was Vincent rather than being a murderer. Hang on, let's use a herb. Oh really? You see, I don't know. I don't remember. I thought he was Vincent. Okay, good. That's good news. I don't care about being a murderer, but I hate that my name would be Vincent. Use. Okay. That's nice. Now, apparently I choose paths here. You see, I'm not Vincent. You see, I thought I was Vincent. Hospital? No. Hospitals are bad news. Let's go to a library. You... Never. Never. I don't know why I hate the name Vincent so much. There was a guy I knew that his name was Vincent, and we used to make so much fun of him. Poor guy. I don't know why. What the heck?
Who are
It's a
you?
midget.
What are you talking about, Vincent?
What did you call me?
Please, don't kill me. Helicopter. Vincent, this is all your fault. You made them send those cleaners to destroy this place.
Cleaners? What do you mean?
I love the way they ran.
Wait!
He locked himself in then, yeah? You see, so if his name is not Vincent... No, what about the hospital? Why? What's wrong with the hospital? So if his name is not Vincent, why is he trolling me, calling me Vincent? Is he trying to scare me? He's trolling me. Guys, if I ever get amnesia and you want to pull a prank on me, call me Vincent. Tell me that my name was actually Vincent. I'd be really worried. Hang on. Is this something that I should pick up? No. If you're an employee and borrowing a book, please use your ID card. Yay. This one's locked, we said, yes? It's locked. Don't worry. I don't think... Hang on. Another herb. Is it weird to pronounce it herb? I used to pronounce it herb, and I always thought it was correct, but I've been listening to streamers referring to herbs as herb, and I don't know.
What?
Somebody locked me in.
It's such a shame that you must die here, Vincent. After all, this is the type of place where a cold-blooded murderer should die.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Hunters? What? What? Doesn't sound good. Sounds bad. I think there's monsters in here. I know that he locked me with something, but I don't know if it's hunters or... Man, the controls are so awkward. Ooh, I hear something, but I... Ah! I knew it! There's hunters in this game! Suck it! He locked me with a hunter. Actually, patata, protasem patata in Maltese, in my language is actually potato in Maltese. I kid you not. You say I say patata. Wait a minute, are you Maltese? Protasem, are you Maltese? Because in my language it is patata. No, I'm curious. Did I pick up a new gun? I mean, of course I did, but... Handgun D. Equip. I don't know. I'm gonna use another herb. Alright? I'm gonna use another herb. Alright. Let me test the gun. Feels the same. Feels the same. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. You're from this, but... okay. Maltese, potato is actually patata. He took off. He left. The midget. There's nothing here, yeah? Even the soundtrack is not bad in this game. Holy crap. Man, it's still managing to scare me this game. Not scare me, I mean, give me a... Ah, dang it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got it, one. Crap. I freaking hate dogs. I think it's better, this gun. However, I think it's more powerful. Holy crap! How hard it is to freaking... Wow. I'm back to being on caution, but it's okay. Now this is a door that was locked and it's probably unlocked now, yeah? Let's go. So what was... Oh crap. I don't like that sound. It's Cat's favorite. No, this is a licker. I thought it was a hunter. This is... I thought it was... That's why I said it's Cat's favorite. I hate lickers. Well, actually, I don't mind them, but... So hard to aim. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I can't see a thing. Ah, there he is. Crap. Give me a lick. I refuse to die. Where is the... I keep going to the analog controls, but no. Wow, it doesn't slow him down when I shoot him when he's in midair. Okay, but I made him eat lead. Alright, what's here? Let's read. Top secret file. I'm in danger, wow. For your eyes only. No, for your nose. This file contains data for the BOWs created by the virus contamination that occurred during the biohazards. The first biohazard was caused by the T-virus leak at Arklay Mountains on May 11, 1998. The second was the large-scale biohazard at Raccoon City, which happened 4 months later. Is this not Raccoon City? It feels like it's not, from what I'm reading. Although they have not been confirmed yet, note that there may be BOWs other than the ones listed below. The data for those will be filed when it is ready. BOW file zombie. Humans who are contaminated by the T-virus. They have lost their consciousness and wander around on their instinct and appetite to satisfy their hunger for human flesh. Tactical procedure. As their movements are slow, they can be easily eliminated if you keep enough distance to snipe. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because this is back when zombies were slow in Resident Evil games, and then they started climbing stairs. Okay, first there was Resident Evil 1 and 2. They didn't climb stairs. And then Resident Evil 3, I freaked myself out when I started seeing them climbing the stairs. So then they started climbing stairs. And then in Resident Evil 4, they started running and carrying weapons, and that's when Capcom lost control. Anyway, Cerberus. Dogs which have been contaminated by the T-virus. Their bodies have not rotted as much as the of zombies, so they can move much faster. They are very sensitive to noise. If they hear you run, they will pursue and attack you. Tactical procedure, you can eliminate them with a handgun, but since they are fast, it may be difficult to aim. True. File number 3, Licker. They are created by a mutation that this occurs when a zombie is contaminated by the T-virus. Isn't the zombie already contaminated by the T-virus? Maybe I'm looking into this too much. As a result of the transformation process, they have conspicuous features like exposed brain tissue, and they move around on all 4 legs. Compared to the zombies, they possess incredible agility. It's nice that they linked the zombie to the licker here, and I think it's the first time they ever did. They have no eyes and they are unable to see. Instead, they have an abnormally evolved sense of hearing. Tactical procedure. As they attack in response to sound, you should be careful when firing at them, since they are very keen to hearing footsteps. You should avoid running when so I can walk past them. I'll try it. 4. Ivy. BOWs are created from plants. They can move on their own by using the vapors inhaled through their skin. Watch out for their tentacles, which are used like whips, tactical precision. As far as lethal to them, a grenade launcher is a very effective weapon. 5. Hunter. BOW that is created when a T-virus contaminates with human DNA. Huh? Since their lower body muscles have been enhanced, they can jump incredibly high and attack enemies with their razor-sharp claws. I'm tired. Just before they jump at an enemy, they stop their movement momentarily. You should attack them during this time. Tyrant. The ultimate result of our BOW project with the T-virus. Based on the regular Tyrant, they are more ferocious, enhanced, and Nemesis. Nemesis? It's been mentioned in this game already. Which is even more aggressive and intelligent. Were created our European branch. Wait a minute. So Tyrant is European. Tyrant is European like me. Okay, there are virtually no countermeasures against Tyrant's incredible power. Prototype. They are not yet complete, but logically speaking, we can create and mass-produce more ferocious BOWs by adding certain materials during the process of cultivating Tyrant's Gs. However, there is one problem. Of course, this is where the file ends. So this is the door I came through. There's no other doors, yeah? Let's look around just to be sure. Wait a minute. Which door did I come from? Yeah, okay. This is the way out. Hey, Chronodox! I'm gonna wave. I'm gonna wave instead of sending you that... Oh, hang on. Wow, this gun is really slow. Okay, I was in the middle of saying hi to Chronodox and saying how I'm gonna wave instead of sending that emoji. The one that's like this. Yeah, but the zombie was rude and he interrupted me. I wanna shoot these windows. Because why not? Vloggy Uffy. The thing is this with autocorrect, everybody gets my name wrong. Everyone. Last time there was Casey and there was Veronica. They keep getting, and Vloggy Puffy and and Vloffy something, and it's so funny. Let's go. I'm doing great. Thanks for stopping by. You doing great? What's written here? Okay. Some of the door sounds are right, but there are times. I hear stuff, yeah? I hear a doggy. But some of the doors are completely wrong. I can walk past the dog? No, I don't think I can. Can I walk past the dog? I'm gonna try. No. Okay, the information on that file was wrong. Hiya, come on. Come on! Yes, I got him. Alright, one down. Is he behind me? There he is. Crap. Let's reload. Ah, gotcha. Man, aiming is so... Oh, man. Aiming is so painful. Oh, come on. I gotcha. Come on. Gotcha. I may look like I'm being a coward by staying at one spot. But dude, it's so awkward to shoot. Okay, I got him. Let's reload. Poof. What was I saying? Yeah, I was saying about the doors. Some of the doors feel like they're unfinished. Like, this game feels unfinished at some points because sometimes there's a door that's clearly a gate and it still makes the sound of a wooden door. You know? Anyway. It was an intense stream, wasn't it? I thought you were gonna sleep for like 8 days or something after that stream. Well, I can't see a thing. I've pushed the switch. Okay. Run. Wow. Wow, that wasn't supposed to sound like that. That's something wrong with the game. So I climb this ladder? No? It's closed. Can you read what it says here? No one is admitted to this room without a permit. Keep out. Nothing says official. Nothing says official like graffiti. All right. Am I getting close to the end of the game? Okay, the janitor. Let's see what the janitor has to say about this whole thing. I've never seen him, but I've heard that one called Vincent has become the city's supreme commander. Officially, he is an elite sent by Umbrella's headquarters. In truth, he is such a fiend that he would not hesitate to kill his friend, even if it would promote him. Well, since I live here in this dark what? You live here? It doesn't mean anything to me. September 20th, I heard the disgusting rumor. The new commander, Vincent, ordered the facility personnel to do a savage experiments every day on kids brought in from all over the world. I don't even know why those kids were brought to the city, but it sure is disturbing. Well, I don't want to get involved as long as it doesn't affect me. Good thinking, janitor. October 10th, it seems some terrible accident happened above ground last night. The janitor lives underground, it's weird. I don't know any more details, but I heard that Commander Vincent has done something cruel. November 9th, today at last Commander Vincent came down here for an inspection. We made small talk and I could see nothing but cruelty in him. When I took a picture of him as a souvenir, he became very angry. Such a jerk. Why would you take a picture of a villain? Look, it's mashing out the image. Yes! As lame as it is. Uh-oh. Wow.
This is me. I am Vincent. It was all my fault.
It is Vincent.
Who are you?
Wait. Please don't kill me. I didn't know anything about you then.
Stop.
Yeah, it is a nice classic, even though it's the voice acting is still lame and all that, but shotgun bullets. Are they called bullets? Come on. Shotgun bullets. Or maybe this is a fan translation, I don't know. I'm sorry I'm nitpicking on this game, but come on, some of these things are hilarious. Is there anything in the thingy here? Let's go. Yeah, even though it's a bit lame, this game, it's still fun. It's still okay. And speaking of, no, it's far away. I don't feel like walking. I was gonna show you the new game that I got, but oh crap! You freaking scared me again. No, 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 no. I'm in freaking danger. Exactly. I'm starting to think that maybe it's. I'm starting to think that maybe this game is just is a fan translation. I don't know. Shotgun bullets. I mean, call them shotgun rounds or shotgun shells. But shotgun bullets sounds wrong. I don't know. The game feels like it's incomplete. But anyway, it's very windy today. Is that it? Okay. Okay, what about this door? No? How's the stream, guys? Is it alright? Is it lagging? Is it buffering? Is the audio okay? Am I too loud? Is the game too loud? Is it overpowering me? Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Why did he go, ugh? Is there a zombie next to me? No! No, 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 I'm not, I will not die. I'm in danger. I don't know if there's checkpoints in this game or anything like that. If I die, do I start over? Office. What is this one? Prison. Maybe there's a herb in the office. I'll give the office a try. No, 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 don't get up. Ugh, why did I come closer to the zombie? No, 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 no. Thanks for the feedback, Sam. Thanks. Perfect. Because the thing with streaming is this. He fell in slow-mo. Anyway, the thing is, the only way of testing is doing it live when people are watching. There's no way you can do this privately, so okay, anyway. I'm on danger. It's annoying me so much. If I die, I will rage quit. No, probably not, but hang on. I was gonna take a sip, I changed my mind. Alright, let's go. Can we pick up the book? No. Prison Chief's Diary. Was he corrupt as well? Let's see. October 20th. Today we received a reply to our report about the incident where 20 guinea pigs committed suicide the other day. Guinea pigs committed suicide. That's weird. The headquarters does not seem to have any suspicions and says that they plan to gather replacement guinea pigs soon. I think they're talking about people. They're calling them guinea pigs. It's too late now. But now I'm starting to regret that I sent a fake report of a mass suicide incident when it was actually a mass escape. However, as long as I stay in this city, it means death to me if I dare to oppose to Commander Vincent. I'll never forget the cruel smile of Vincent when he was shooting at the boys who tried to escape from the prison on that night. Wow. It looked as if he were killing a bunch of insects. Commander Vincent is indeed a very cold-blooded person, just as he is rumored to be. He is a true murderer. I am in a position where I'm supposed to report the truth to headquarters, but I'm so afraid of Commander Vincent, I don't know what to do. Okay. That's an interesting thing to think about. If I am an evil person, Say I'm a mass murderer or something, prison selkie. Okay? And I kill a lot of people and I have evil in my heart. And something goes wrong with me. And I get amnesia. And I don't remember anything about me, myself, my past. Would I still feel inclined to do evil? Or would I just reset? I wouldn't know. That's an interesting thing. I always wondered about that. If I'm an evil person, I get amnesia. Will I still be an evil person again? Or will I start over? Oh no, they're getting up again. Nope, 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 nope. We're killing this one first. Can we get shotgun since we got the shotgun shells? Huh? Huh? Okay, he's gone. He's gonna come back up. No, no, no. I thought he came back. Okay, this guy. So yeah, that is my question. Same thing goes for tastes. Let's just say I'm a big fan of, I don't know, pizza. I love pizza so much. What if I get amnesia? Will I still love pizza or have to rediscover pizza? And I might not like it this time. It's weird, eh? I don't know. Or girls. Let's say I have a taste in a girl. I don't know. I like them to be blonde and whatever. And if I get amnesia, am I gonna like the same type of girls? Or am I gonna be... I don't know. I don't know. Let's go. I'm overthinking this. We got a rope. Yeah, it's true. It's true. I agree, Sam. Ooh! Take that. Yeah, I agree with that, Sam. Yeah, I agree with that. What about tastes? What about tastes? For example, like I said, my taste in girls, for instance. Let's say I love skinny blonde girls, for instance. I don't know, just... Maybe I do. No, but if I get amnesia, am I gonna be into the same type of girls? I don't know. Alright, let's get rid of this one. Because tastes is not something... Hang on. It's not something like predetermined conditioning, you know? Taste is something else. What's this? This is possibly by a clipping from... This is possibly a clipping from a magazine. There's a picture of a girl in a swimsuit posted here. What? Doesn't look like that. It says baby punks though. Anything in here? Maybe. I don't know. What does it say? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Naked zombies. No, 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 no. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh my goodness, I'm really risking death, huh? I need an herb badly. I'm this close to dying. What about this guy? His neck has been cut open by a sharp blade. It was Vincent. Oh, enough reading. I want an herb. Young man's diary. An imprisoned boy's diary. September 5th. 16 days have passed since I was abducted on a street in Congo by the man in black. Here come the man. Okay. I was just brought here. I didn't understand what was happening at first, but I gradually became aware of the truth of the city. We seem to be confined here to serve as guinea pigs for a medical company called Umbrella. All the residents of the city work for Umbrella. Even women and children are family members of employees. The guinea pigs seem to be gathered from all over the world. The guy in the next room is from China. The one in front of myself from Brazil. The rest are Russian, Japanese. It's like a world trade show. It's strange that they are all around my age. The youngest is 16 and the oldest is 19 or 20. Those guys from Umbrella sometimes take us to an arcade or to a nightclub so we can enjoy ourselves and relieve our stress. But I won't let them deceive me. I will escape from this place, no matter what it takes. I must. Anyway, the most important thing to do now is to organize and get our comrades for what lies ahead. September 10th. Recently, the others have been behaving strangely. It seems that they put some kind of weird drug into our meals. I sometimes lose consciousness too. I have to be careful. September 21st. I can't believe it. Another friend of mine, Chin, from the next room, was taken to the factory on the mountain. I don't think Chin's coming back. He will meet the same fate as Anna or Jacob, who disappeared last week. I know what happens to those who are taken to the factory on the mountain. When they took me to a nightclub yesterday, I overheard a conversation that some factory workers were having. Under orders from Vincent, the commander of the city, they cut open our brains and extract some kind of material, whatever they call it. All I can say is that Vincent is a devil. No, not just Vincent. Even the women and children in the city don't treat us as human beings, but as guinea pigs. All the people in the city are evil. I will surely be killed. If I stay here any longer, we have to hurry up. We have to hurry and execute our escape plan. So much to read. The time has come. I have noticed the Umbrella people have been visibly disturbed for about a week or so. Rumor has it that there was a terrible accident at the Umbrella factory laboratory somewhere in America. All the prison guards seem to be very busy gathering information on the incident, so security isn't as tight. I've organized our comrades already. Stojkovic and Enriquez are supposed to steal the keys from the guards. Sankon and I will act as decoys, and Yoshikawa and Felipe are in charge of gathering weapons. October 10th. We have decided on our escape route. Route or route? The plan will be carried out at 11 p.m. tonight. We have 20 members separated into two units, Unit A and Unit B. Unit A will go into the sewer through the ventilation slot of the confinement room, while Unit B will use a rope climb down from the surveillance tower. It's nice that he's writing everything he's gonna do on a journal. Alright, he's keeping this... he's keeping everything a secret, huh? We'll use the rope they used to tie us. If we fail, Vincent will surely kill us, but if we stay here, Vincent will order them to cut our brains eventually. We're dead either way, but I'd rather die trying to escape. Fair enough. I need an herb. His hands been cut with a sharp blade. Looks like they killed all of them. Same thing. No herbs anywhere. I'm not comfortable playing this right now. If I die, what happens if I die? Look at the way he's walking. Ooh, we got ourselves an awesome new gun. Come on, pick it up. Shotgun. Fantastic. Time to test my new gun. Okay. Oh, shotgun bullets. That means I will run out eventually. So no, I'll keep using the handgun. I don't want to run out. I don't remember a save room in this game either. I think you have to finish this in one sitting, if I'm not mistaken. I finished this game once, but I forgot. Why am I in this room? Just to pick up the gun, really? That's it? That doesn't make sense. No key items here. Okay. Okay, I got confused. This door, yeah? No way. Okay, time to equip the... Oh my goodness, and I don't have any... I need to do this right. Take that. Oh, he died right away. Okay. Okay, that wasn't a one-hit kill for him. Okay, good. That gun saved my life. Oh, a red herb. A useless red herb. Oh, come on, man. You've unlocked the door. I'm scared. I'm really scared that I'm gonna die. I've been in this room. No. Okay, so the only way is up. So I came up this one and I'm going down this one, yeah? There's a hook on the wall. Okay, so you've used the rope. Okay. Oh, no, 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 I don't have time for this. Did you see that? No, not the shotgun bullet, the shotgun. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna die, am I? No. Come on. No, that's not good. Run, Ken, run. Let's go up this way. I'm on danger and I took a hit from the tyrant. Or Mr. X, whatever. No, no! What the heck are those? What the heck are those? I wasn't gonna stay around to find out. Oh yeah, grenade rounds. flame rounds. Oh, man. Oh, more of these. Hang on. Hang on. What are those? They look like monkeys. Okay. Oh. No way, no way, no way, no way, no. Okay, go in, go in. I have no idea what those are.
Umbrella.
Okay,
So
take your
this
time,
is where
Sam.
the city is controlled from.
Enjoy breakfast.
What's happening to me?
Another red herb. I am so annoyed. So which door did I come from? I have no idea. Can I go through here? It's locked. Ostrich beer. Ostrich beer. Uh-oh. It's not working. No. Is it the same door? Yes, it is. Made the same sound. Shotgun bullets. Whatever. I came back just in case I missed. Some sort of a green herb, but no. No green herb for you, Ken. Not good. Okay. Please, game. Give me a green herb. Crap. Pick this up real quick. Magnum rounds. No, no, no. Run, 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 run. These I can handle, it's fine. The way he slammed on the floor. No! I am dying, huh? Look how many zombies. Come on. So I came through this door. What's this? Nothing. He's not running properly, huh? That means he's probably limping or something. Okay. Ooh, 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 oh, oh. You're a lifesaver. Thank you so much. Alright, so, combine. Ah, use. Alright, so, there's an elevator here and an elevator there. Let's try taking this one first. Oh crap, not you again. So, shotgun. Or maybe I should just run. Try to conserve some ammo. Yeah, let's conserve some ammo.
Hello?
There's gonna be a tyrant
Can you
here, I
hear
think.
me? Who are you? What are you doing? Answer me!
If I'm not mistaken, a tyrant comes in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see? Oh, you see? I knew it. Oh my goodness. There was something on the... Do I have time to read this? I'm sure I do. I'm sure I do. Let's read it. So, last night a group of guinea pigs confined in the prison escaped, took weapons and caused a riot. The guinea pigs who were responsible for the incident were all shot to death by myself. But it will cause a lot of trouble if Umbrella Headquarters becomes aware of this. This could spoil my plan of returning to headquarters and collecting my reward for my great achievements here in the city. I ordered the prison chief to report the incident as a mass suicide, but I will also have to order the others who are involved not to talk about it. The people of the city who have been opposing me are now trying to gather information, intending to report to headquarters what I did. Yesterday, that little boy, Lot, told me that a spy sneaked into the city. I guess that spy may have something to do with the rebellion happening here. I'll let him for now, and I'll see who he works for and why he is here. Then I'll kill him. It's a sad story that the only person that I can trust in this city is that little kid Lot. The people of the city seem to be preparing to hand the prosecution report to the headquarters people who are delivering the new guinea pigs next week. They say that they have evidence of my doings. I can never allow them to reveal that. These civilians will regret what they are doing. I'll teach them what happens to those who oppose me. Now they know who holds the power. I've spread the T-virus all over the city. Of course, it was done so that it looked like an accident. The city should be completely contaminated. Now I can go back to Umbrella Headquarters and get promoted for my great achievements at the factory. No one can oppose me now. No, hang on. No one can oppose me now. Wait. There's one person that I have to take care of. It's that spy. I have to eliminate that rat who sneaked into the city. Exit, okay. Get ready, Ken. Tyrant is gonna attack you. Run, buddy, run. There it is. This is what I need to pick up. Come on, pick it up. Dang it. Where is he? Be careful, buddy. He's coming this way. Okay, I need to pick up that stupid thing from the floor. Nope, I didn't pick it up. Come on, pick it up. Pick it up. Yes, I did. Card key. Let's go. Out. I can do this all day. Let's go. Bye. Whew. Oh, not you again. I've inserted the card key and I'm going in. Okay, zombies I can handle, it's fine. Welcome back, Sam. Welcome back. Look how many zombies. I don't remember much of this game. I have amnesia, like Vincent. I don't remember anything. Certain rooms, yes, I can remember, and certain things that happen, but it appears to be a control room for the building. It seems to be functioning. Okay. So you're not going to do anything? Okay, out. What about this? Wait, isn't this... No. Okay, good. Let's go. Hey, Luke! Welcome, Luke! How are you? Nice to see you again. I came from this door.
What?
Vincent, it's me, your mother.
My mother?
Vincent, please, listen to your mother. I want you to leave Umbrella. I want you to stop performing those terrible crimes and just come back home.
Are you kidding me?
Shh! Don't be afraid. I'm not going to hurt you. What is the tape you're listening to?
I don't know. I was only listening to it because I'm so bored. My brother told me to wait here. Oh, let me go!
Your brother?
Leave her alone! Lily, run, go!
Put that down. I won't harm you. I promise.
Liar. You'll kill me if I drop it. I'm not stupid. Now stay back, don't come any closer.
I know you think that I'm a murderer, but you're wrong. I would never do anything like that.
Okay, so a few things about this scene. One, I think the kid, Lot, is the best voice actor in the whole game. Personally, he convinced me. Anyway, I think he was doing a better job than anyone else. That was one. His mom, please come home. That was hilarious. And another one. He's like, no, I'm not a murderer. I would never kill you. Dude, you have amnesia. You don't know if you're a murderer or not. So you cannot make that statement. Anyway, will I be streaming scary games? This is a scary game. No, it's I don't consider this as a scary game. I don't know if I'll be. I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing with my streams. I don't have a thing where I'm gonna be streaming just Resident Evil or just this or just that. I'm gonna be streaming whatever I feel like. If I feel like playing Pac-Man and streaming it, I will. You know, that's how it's gonna be with me. So, Vince taping record. Can we? What's this? Is this so? It's a transcript. Wiretapping. We can no longer tolerate what Commander Vincent has been doing. To deprive him of his position, we must obtain conclusive evidence of his evil doings and report it to headquarters. We realize that he is very intelligent and cautious. As a last resort, though, it was very dangerous for us was to wiretap his phone conversations. Finally, we obtained evidence that was potent enough to deprive him of his position. Okay? This tape contains his conversation on the prison breaking incident last month. It proves that he shot those young people all by himself and that he tried to hide the truth. Furthermore, this tape reveals that before coming to this city, Vincent had killed his colleague only for the purpose of his own promotion. Sounds like Vincent. Hey, Tristan! Hey! Hey! Hey, Tristan! Nice to see you. Okay, let's keep reading. If we could hand this tape to the corporate people coming to the city next week, he will lose his position for sure. Then the city will be peaceful once again. I'm gonna make myself a drink, guys. I'll be right back. I will only take 1 minute. I promise. You see, I was just thinking as I was making myself a drink. It was a good idea to put pants on, because I was gonna stream and I wasn't gonna put my pants on. I'm like, well, people are gonna see this top part. I'm gonna stream without pants. Then I'm like, no, I'm just gonna put them on just in case. You see, if I was without pants, I wouldn't have been able to to make myself a drink. All right, so let's continue. I used to play this game, by the way. Really? You used to play this game? This is a very old game, huh? Which door I came from? Which door did I come from? I came from this door. Okay. Server room. Destroy everything. Destroy all the evidence. That's so much fun. I'm surprised, Tristan, that you played this game. Because this is a very old title, huh? Well, it's good. A good game is always a good game. Now, which door I came from? I came from this door. I'll pick this up. And I also don't like that there's a hole here. I don't like that there's a hole here. There's a big hole. Something the power must have created this. Yes, I don't like that there's a hole here. No, I don't think I'll play FNAF. Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't think I will. Maybe I will one day if I feel like it, but it's not my thing. No, it's not my thing. The thing is, it's broken. It won't move. Aww. What about this one? No way. No way. I knew it. I have to take him out. I have to take him out. Hang on. So, oh well, I have to take him out. Let's equip our shotgun. Equip. And now we are going to grab our shotgun bullets. Combine with our shotgun. Okay, I only have 8 rounds. I'm gonna finish my thought about Five Nights at Freddy's, but not now. Hang on. I'm gonna have to take this guy out. Take that. Run, run, buddy, run. Ooh. Good dodging. Come back. There you go. I have to change. No, I have to change weapon again. Equip. Take your time, Luke. Take your time. Whoop! Now he hit me. Whoop! He hit me again. Oh, that wasn't good, huh? Come on. He's dead. Phew. I'm still fine, however. Oh, he dropped stuff. It wasn't worth it. I got shotgun shells. How many did I get? Item. I got 8. I wasted 8 to kill him, and I got another 8. It wasn't worth it. But I had to, apparently, because he came through the hole, eh? Is the elevator here now? Of course it is now. I was gonna finish my thought about Five Nights at Freddy's. Thing is, when people play it so much on the internet, it becomes so mainstream that I get sick of it. And I don't want to play it just because everybody else has been playing it, you know? And most of the games are like that. I used to play it on PS1. Well, not exactly, because I was very scared. Let's play a lot of scary games, obviously. Yeah, I feel you. Whoa, 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 hang on, hang on, hang on. For some reason, the liquor is of a different color. I don't know why. Should I take him out? Should I try to avoid him, perhaps? I'm gonna try. Come on. I don't find this to be very scary. It has a few jump scares, yes, but uh-oh. Should I just run? Yes, let's just run. Run, 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 run. Run, Forrest, run. Run, buddy, run. Get in there, get in there. Whew. I don't think this is scary. There are scarier games, but I used to love scary games. I still do. I still do. And yes, there were times when I had nightmares as a kid as well. Cutscene, that means I'm going the right way.
Hey!
No, in my opinion, it wasn't even scary back then. But that's just me. What the heck? It's just water I'm going through. Okay. No, back then I don't think it was scary either. I think the scariest game I played on the PS1 was Resident Evil 1. The first Resident Evil. Oh my goodness, run, Kenny, run! Run. Oh, wow! Wow! Run, buddy, run, 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 run. Wow, okay. Ooh, spooders! Spooders! Run! Run! Spooders! What's going on? Those zombies are playing. That's what it feels like. So I have a blue herb just in case I get poison. That's good to have. And I have another red one. And I'm going to combine the red one. With the green one with the red one. Combine. There we have it. And we'll keep it for a rainy day. Can I do this? No. Oh, I wasted a shotgun shell. I'm an idiot. Voilà. Let's go through here. I would always die. That was the one. And Clock Tower. I never played Clock Tower. Ferruccia! I'm going to do the same thing as I'm doing to everyone. I am waving. I am waving at everyone. You know that emoji? The one you just put in? Yeah, that one. Yeah, I was going to send you that one, but I'm not. I'm going to do it in real life since I have a camera now. Yes! Nice to see you. Why am I... Oh. Oops. I clicked outside the window. Nice to see you. Thank you for stopping by. I'm playing some Resident Evil Survivor. Can I shoot the TV? Nope. It's a bit of an obscure title. There's a door here and a door there. And there's a kitchen here as well. A very useless... Ooh, it's a nice kitchen. Anything to eat? Alright, let's go through that door first. Yeah, that one. That one. Yeah, the kid is hiding in there. Yeah, I remember that. I remember this part. You see, that's what I've been telling everyone. I haven't played this game in probably a decade. If not more, must be more. I'm tempted to look up. I played this game. I'm sorry, I get curious. I get curious. I'm gonna find out real quick. Resident Evil Survivor. When it came out. Resident Evil Survivor. Sorry, I have to look it up. It came out 2000. So I played this game. It's not a decade. Well, I haven't played. 16 years ago. So yeah, I played this game 16 years ago. Lot's diary. Let's read a little kid's diary. I saw some prisoners at the arcade today. They all had sleepy eyes. One of the girls even slavered. I've never heard that word. Slavered. I feel a burp. Some of the boys were glaring at me. Those were rugs and smelled rotten, like Dad and Commander Vincent told me. They are very different people from our Umbrella families. They told me that they bring them to this island so that they can operate on them and make them into decent people. I think they are doing the right thing. I hope they will become decent people sometime soon. I heard Commander Vincent killed those people who tried to escape from the prison. I wonder why such a thing happened. I know they are inferior to us, but did he have to kill them? Is this what I believed in? Umbrella and my dad were supposed to help the inferiors by operating on them. Why did he kill them? The city is in total panic. Monsters are everywhere and they are attacking people. Those Umbrella people who were very nice to me suddenly started attacking me. I need help. Please, someone rescue me. November 24th. My dad and my mom turned into monsters. He's being so casual about it, and he's writing about it in his diary. My dad and mom turned into monsters. One of the survivors told me that Commander Vincent turned the people in the city into monsters. I can't trust anyone now. I have to survive and protect my sister Lily. No matter what, I have to escape from the city together. Okay. See ya, Tristan. See ya. Thank you for stopping by. Or if you prefer, I can call you 3-star. 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 Anyway. What was I saying? Various stars supply. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, look, an Easter egg. By Capcom. An Easter egg. How cool. Interesting. It's a lovely Easter egg. What else? Let's go. Let's do this. So yeah, I like playing Resident Evil games, and I plan on playing the most obscure ones, the ones that people tend to leave out.
I won't hurt you. Where's your brother, Lot?
Please, you have to save my brother. He said he's going to the factory by the ropeway.
Factory?
He told me that he could find a way to escape from this place inside the factory. But there are tons and tons of scary monsters there. I know that if he goes there, he's going to be killed.
What?
Please! We've already lost Mum and Dad. You've got to help my brother. Please!
I promise. Don't cry anymore, Lily. I may have been a bad person, but that was before. That's not who I am now. I will save these two kids. I swear it. Lily, you hide here. I'll go find your brother and then come back for you.
So he's just gonna stay here, yeah? Okay. Anyway. Okay. So yeah, I plan on hooking up my Wii so that I can play Umbrella Chronicles and Darkside Chronicles because I think it's easier to play that game with a motion sensitive controller rather than the analogs on the PlayStation. So I came through that door, I went that door, time to go to this door. Hang on. Why can't I get a green herb anywhere? Okay, so this is... Oh, there he is. Oh no, I thought it was Lot. No. You had the zombie in your room, buddy. I want green herbs, not red herbs. It's like everywhere I go there's red herbs. Hang on. If that was the kids' room, so this must be the parents' room. Why are the beds separated? Oh man, I'm really looking into this way too much. Why is this room so useless? There's nothing in this room. There's nothing in this room. It's a useless room. I refuse to believe that. Well, I have to accept that. Useless room. That's weird. Let's go through here then again. Oh my goodness, so many. Ah, the gate was locked earlier. Now it's open and... So I have to go through there. You want some more? Stay down. The only way is up. Ooh, doggy. Take that. Ooh, where are you? Doggy? No way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. So, I came through here, yes? No, I came through here. This is a dead end. You can't jump from here or anything. The ropeway is not working. The rope, I guess the rope isn't working. You should try Resident Evil 1, 2, 3. I have. Of course I have. Of course I have. Nice of you to join. I am a kaiju. I don't know if I said that right. But thanks for coming. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. Those are my favorites. 1, 2, and 3 are my favorites. I just like playing the obscure ones, the ones that people tend to forget about. This is one of them. Okay, shotgun time. With that being said... Okay, with that being said, it doesn't mean that I'm on caution now. Doesn't mean that I'm a pro at this one. As I've been saying before, I haven't played this game in 16 years. But yeah, if you love If you love Resident Evil 1, 2, and 3, you have good tastes. Okay, let's combine. Combine with this one. Ah, you're Tristan's cousin. Welcome. Nice of you to join, Donio. Nice of you to come. Thank you. I appreciate your comment. Thank you for coming. We're playing some Resident Evil Survivor. There's nothing in here, yeah? Let's get out. If you love my channel, make sure you subscribe because I post a lot of stuff. Right now I have a series going on where we eat weird stuff in my kitchen. We ate insects. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. We ate insects. I kid you not. I'm gonna smash the windows because that's how I roll. Why am I in this room but there's no doors? Oh, I guess I have to do this. I have to fix the ropeway probably. You've turned the power on. Okay. So I have to head out again. No. What? No. 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 You have. You have. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, so the ropeway is the cable car. Oh my goodness. You don't call that a ropeway. I don't know, maybe I'm mistaken, I don't know. I'm not American. So maybe it is really called a ropeway, but come on. Ropeway? You call it a cable car. It does run on rope, but no. It is good. And I think it was one of my... The point of those videos is to try food, of course, for the experience. But... hoping that people would go like this on video. You know? But so far, the closest person to going was my sister. Oh, no, no, no! Hang on. I'm getting carried away talking. It's one of my weaknesses. In real life and in game. Alright, let's kill the stupid... Take that. He did now. Yeah, that's the point. Besides trying new food and, you know, new experiences, the point is trying to make people... Oh, there's another one over there. He gonna get it, man. He gonna get it. Say cheese. Did I get him? I don't think I got him. So. If he shows his face, he's gonna get it. There you go. Phew. Did I finish my thought about about my videos? Yeah. So besides learning an experience of eating new stuff, we also make faces, you know, hoping to go. And my sister did it when she had Bean Boozled, when she had the rotten egg one. But she did off camera because she went to the sink. She thought she was going to throw up. And me, when we were having the insects, I felt like I was going to throw up. I was so scared. Oh no, not this guy again. I'm not going to defeat him though. Or can I? Come on. I think I can. Let's do this. No, no. Run, 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 run. Run, run. There's also dogs. I'm not going to do this with dogs around. No, 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 no. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. So I guess we are past the... Because there was a time when Resident Evil games was like this. If you walk into a room and there's zombies, that's all you're gonna get. Just zombies. There was no way there's gonna be two types of monsters in the same room. If there was dogs, there was dogs. If there's zombies... But I guess they moved past that now. You see, there's the tyrant and even dogs at the same time. Come on, pick it up, man. So there's a door here. This is the door I came from. There's another one here. It gets confusing. I love putting my controller down when there's a cutscene. Did I just fall down? Oh my goodness, not him again. Oh my goodness. Oh, another one. Okay, this is not good. And I'm on danger. I should have another mixed herb, do I? Yes, I do. Good. So there's two of them. Be careful, buddy. 3! Ooh, wow! Four! This is weird! This is so weird! You've unlocked the door. 4 of them! How do they expect you to take them all out and... Run, buddy, run, as if. Run! Run! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh my goodness, everywhere you go is monsters. I noticed that when there's a lot of enemies on screen, his running slows down, you know. The game limitations, I suppose. Whoa! It won't budge. It seems it can't be opened. Okay, run. Run, Forrest, run. Go through here. This game is stressing me out. Okay. Now, which way?
Lot?
Ah, that's why it won't budge. Okay. That's why it wouldn't budge. I think Lot is the only decent voice actor in this game. Can I go down there? Yes I can, but I won't for now. It has collapsed, I can't climb on this. Fair enough, the only way is down then. Let's go. Come on, go down. What's going on? Okay. Oh, not you again. Let's try take him out. Hey, come on. Ah, run, buddy, run. Of course. Oh, there's more than one. No way you can take them out. There's more than one. We'll never do it. What the heck? What am I supposed to do? Ah, now we're talking. Hang on. Welcome back, Luke. Welcome back. I'm about to fight 2 giant Mr. X's in one room. Come on, we can do this. Come on, Mr. X, show yourself. Oh! Oh my goodness. Danger. Item. I have another mixed. I should have another mixed one. Yes. Use. Okay. Oh, we're good. And I should combine the gun I should have Magnum rounds. No. Didn't I pick Magnum rounds? No, I don't seem to have any. No problem, no problem, no problem. Shotgun is empty. Can I combine these with the shotgun? No, you can't. I got 6 in this Magnum. Okay. Are you ready? Go. I don't think I'm hitting him. One of them is gone. Okay, the other one not yet. But we're gonna take him out, don't worry. We're good, we're good, we're good. Where is he? Come take it. Boom! Oh, oh, oh. Okay, hang on, I need to change weapon. We're gonna take him out. I don't care if it's with the pistol, we're gonna do it. And he's gone. Okay, he didn't drop anything? Wow. That was a waste of time. So I came down here. What about this elevator? This is not working. I think it was a bad idea to take them out. Security room. Pull the lever. You've turned on the switch. Do I do anything here? Power seems to have been supplied to this floor. Thank you very much. Anything else? No. I killed them for nothing. What a waste of ammo. Oh, zombies. Zombies are fine. I can take zombies out. It's fine. There's another one here. Do I push a button here? There's a panel that controls large size boilers. Okay, what about here? Ah, run, can you run? No time to waste. What does this button do? But no power. Okay. Whoa! I want to do this. Oh, they don't break. I keep collecting rounds, but I don't have the actual gun. The actual grenade launcher. Creature's cell appears to be cultivated. You see? It's Cell from Dragon Ball. He looks like him in a way. Look, it's Cell from Dragon Ball. He's still being cultivated. And this is the very imperfect Cell. Different plants are being... We're gonna have to fight plants very soon. Yeah, I know that. I know that. It feels like we're gonna... Anything here? No. Devices. Nope. Okay, so we have to go through here. This game would be awesome in VR. I don't think so. Okay. Any bad news here? No? Nope. I would like a green herb though. Oh my goodness. Of course, I have to reload when he flies at me. Okay, reload. There should be another one. Usually they're in pairs. No? Wow. Factory Worker's Diary. August 5th, 1998. I can't stand it anymore. I have to take the subjects to operating table and sever their skulls and extract a part of their brain. I do this over and over, day after day. This is awful. Guilt stays with me all the time, even after I go to bed. Commander Vincent instructs us, do not see them as humans. They are just raw material we use to create tyrants with. But it is we who cut their skulls. I can never consider them just as raw materials. They are humans. They are just like we are. I asked Commander Vincent about ways to reduce their suffering, but he ignored my request, saying that by using anesthetics, pure beta-heteronon-serotonin cannot be extracted. Let me try that again. But he ignored my request, saying that by using anesthetics, pure beta-heteronon-serotonin cannot be extracted. Even if it's the company's orders, I don't believe that what we are doing is ethical. I'm sure I'll be sent to the worst possible place when I die. Yes, in a grave. Only perhaps I should say or perhaps I should say I'm already there. You're good. You know what you're saying. Let's go. Oh. What? Ammo disc? Really? Activation disc. No. What? I know what it is. It's the plants. They got loose. Appears to be a device used for research of germs. Hang on, I just wanted to see what the menu looks like. Sorry. Whoa. Did you see that? That was terrifying. And I don't plan on fighting the plants either. Let's go. You see? Now the running has slowed down because of those monsters in the game. Alright, now I think there's liquors over here as well. Be careful, buddy. No, there isn't. But I can... Yes, there is! I hear them! What? Oh my goodness, 2 of them. I'm never gonna... What the heck? What do I hear? Oh! Okay, that was good. Alright, now, which way? Which way? I'm confused now. Did I come through here? Yes, I came down through an elevator. And did I go through this door? I don't know. I'm confused now. Have I been here? Doesn't look like I've been here, no. What does this door do? Or whatever. Come on. Nothing. This control panel is just to waste my time. Alright, I've inserted the activation disc. Thank you very much. Oh no. Okay, zombies are fine. I don't care about zombies. We'll take them out. No problem. I ain't afraid of no zombies. We're good. Umbrella logo. I hear a zombie, but I don't. Hang on. Ah, there you are. Hello. Hello, zombie. Do you want to be my boyfriend? Ooh, this is why I came. Just for this. Grenade rounds for a gun that I don't have. What's this? Nothing. What does it say? Danger, hot pipes. So now that I've activated the thingy, I should go back, and probably there's power now, because I activated something. Oh, hello, more of those. Hang on. Are we safe here? Yeah. I like to look around like this. Hang on. Okay, is he dead? Yes, he is. Okay. Well, he already was before I started shooting him, but you know what I mean. I'm still trying to determine the times I should be streaming. What does this say now? Does it say anything? Okay, never mind. I'm still trying to determine what the best time is for me to stream. Is it during the day or during the night? I prefer during the night, but if viewers find it easier to watch during the day, I'll stream during the day. Come on, buddy, come on, come on, come on. You have to open this now. You've pushed the switch. All 3 shutters are gonna open, and I'm gonna be in serious trouble, I think. Oh man. I have to run back. I'll run back. Run, 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 run. Okay, shoot. Alright, that one's gone. And that one's gone. We need to be careful because sometimes when they die, they still can whip you. I picked up something. He appears to be a researcher. He's not breathing anymore, and he's holding something. ID card. Now, where do I go with this one? Oh, here. Through here. Awesome. No, 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 no. Why are they different colors? Are they stronger? Okay, that one's gone. Come on. And that one's gone too. Now, I came through here. Okay, run. This song is weird. Blue herb. I need a green herb. Come on, give me one. Am I on caution? Or am I on fine? I don't know, I forgot. I'm on fine. Oh, come on, man. picking up so many of these and... Look at how many tyrants!
They are creating these monsters on this island.
Alright, if there's only one, I can take him out with just the one gun. Come on, we can take him out. Hopefully he'll drop something. Nope, nope. Ah, man. No, 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 nope, 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 nope. Oh, he's gone. Okay, that's good. The shutter opens when you kill the monster. Sorry, I blew in your faces. Sorry. Okay, hang on, let's pick up the... You see, this one guy dropped something, even though it's completely useless for me. Can I break these? No. Let me reload the gun now. Let's go. Are we approaching the end of the game? I don't know. Hang on. Uh-oh. That's not good.
What? Hang on!
Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I took him out with a pistol. That's lovely.
Lot!
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
What are you talking about? It's not your fault. Vincent is the one who caused everything. Well, I mean,
You? What do you mean? You're the detective. Your name is Art Thompson.
What?
Okay.
Really? I'm not Vincent? Then why did you run away from me?
Because I'm the one that told Vincent about you.
Hello, I'm Vincent. I've been transferred to this facility to inspect it.
That's
Nice to meet you, sir.
I know Commander Vincent. So I knew that you weren't him when I saw you.
What? A spy? Thank you. You are a good boy, Leelot.
So then I'm Ark and not Vincent.
I see. So Sam was right, actually.
Lot, do you know of any way to get off this island?
My dad told me that there's a railway station up ahead from here.
A railway station?
I heard that it runs underground.
Okay, we'll use that. Let's go get Lily. Go ahead! Hurry! We'll meet at the station!
The self-destruction system has been activated. This island will self-destruct in 10 minutes. All the personnel must evacuate immediately.
So lame.
Repeat, all the personnel evacuate immediately.
Okay, so I have to go through this door, I assume. Wow. No, first of all, how lame the voice is. Destruct. Come on, you got it right in Resident Evil 2. Why did you go back? That's one. Two. A whole island is gonna blow up? Whoa.
That's right. At the request of my friend, Leon S. Kennedy, I came here to investigate. Oh, yes. I remember everything.
He is Leon's friend. I didn't know.
Tell me
I didn't
the
know
truth.
that.
You are a spy, aren't you?
Yes, I'm not Vincent. I'm Ark.
All right, let's start running. You see, so he's Leon's friend. Leon sent him on this mission. It's interesting. Kat was right. It is an important part of the Resident Evil Universe's story, even though it's a bit lame. Okay, I just unlocked something, but oh, there's a lot of zombies here. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on! Oh, come on, come on, I need to find a corner. Okay, we're good now. Let's go. I just realized there was a first aid spray that I didn't pick up earlier. I saw it in the cutscene. Aw, man, I'm not going back for it as if. I didn't pick it up, did I? I missed out on it. Hang on. I didn't pick it up. I saw it. Is there anything I can do here? No? No? Let's get out of here, man. Anything else? Anything else I can touch here? No, let's go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's reload the gun and let's get out of here, man. It's locked. What? What do I do then? I'm not sure what to do now. What's this? You've pushed the switch. Oh man. Oh man. What did I open? This? Ooh, 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 so close, so close, so close, so close, so close. That's one. We're getting close to the end, I think. Alright, what do these switches do? Looks like I should be tampering with these. No, I shouldn't. Okay, this doesn't sound good. Oh, there's a file over here. Let's see what it says. How to extract the material. What? Alright, beta hero nanoserotonin. To establish a system of mass-producing tyrants, it is absolutely necessary that during the process of gene cultivation, a large amount of pure beta-heteronon-serotonin must be injected. This material is one of the human brain's elements. It has been revealed that the material is mainly produced by the pituitary of people that are at the latter period of developing their secondary sex characteristics. Also, medical data shows that this cerebral material is produced in response to the excessive secretion of blah, 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 that is produced from the locus serotonin in the brainstem. Noradrenaline is the cerebral material secreted when people are in a state of extreme tension or fear. As the beta heteronon serotonin only exists in active cells, you can't extract it from a dead brain. Thus, the best way to extract the material is to cut open the subject's skull without using anesthesia. This will cause excessive secretion of noradrenaline. The putrid is then ripe for immediate extraction. Alright, hang on, be right back. 1 minute, be right back. Boom! We're back. Where were we? Where were we? Let's go. Exit. I have a feeling that this guy's gonna come out of the thingy. Look at him floating. Nothing to push, nothing to pull. The creature being cultivated here appears to be ready to move. My goodness, I'm gonna have to fight this thing for sure. What does this say? Appears to be control of the cultivation capsule. I don't want to touch that, but I'm gonna have to look. This is the key. Obtain the master key, and he's gonna come out. Yes. Yes, he's gonna come out. Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna come out. Let's get out of here. Let's run, buddy. Run, 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 run. For a second, I thought I was running. I thought it was a camera angle. What?
I'll kill you, Vincent.
I'm not Vincent.
This is the janitor then.
Liar! Who else could you be? You are Vincent. You're a murderer. Now die! Why?
Thank you for saving my life, Mr. Tyrant. Oh no, I have to take him out, yes? Or not. I should just run like a chicken. Let's go. The door won't open, of course it won't. Okay, it won't. So, let's get the gun ready. So, shotgun's empty. Grenade rounds, magnum is empty. Alright, so, combine. Here. No. I didn't equip it. So, magnum. Are you ready, buddy? Let's shoot you in the face. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's not good. It won't open. I have to take this guy out. And I'm gonna die, I think. No, the gun's empty. Wow, wow, wow. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I have an magnum attempt. Ugh. This is not good, man. Not good. This is how I'm gonna die. I am hoping that if I die, at least I can continue where I left off, but I don't think so. Ugh. Not good, not good, not good. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. I did it. I did it. Wow. That's it. I'm on danger, huh? It's not good. Now the door opens. I hate that. I hate that. He's gonna wake up probably. He's not done being dead, of course. What can you do? So now, emergency, emergency, emergency. Okay, let's go. You've used the master key. I think we're done now. Are there monsters coming out? No, just trying to scare me, yeah? Yeah, just trying to scare me. I need the healing item. I'm not gonna make this.
Get on the train! Hurry!
All personnel evacuate immediately. Repeat. All personnel evacuate immediately.
I'm dying to make a save state, but I'm not that cheap. We've pushed the switch, okay. I want to make a save state, but I'm not that cheap. I won't do that. Oh! Oh! No! No, no! I died. Do I start over? Do I continue at a checkpoint or something? I'm not starting this over. Definitely not. Come on. Is there a checkpoint? Is that it? I'm gonna stare at the you died screen? Come on. Okay. Continue. Yes. So there's continues in this game. I didn't know that. Okay. Where are we gonna continue though? Are we gonna continue very far away? What? Oh, that's good. That's a good save point. That's good. I love you, game. I'm gonna make myself a drink again. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Let's go. Hang on, there's something over there. Shotgun shells. I'll need these. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually combine them right away. So I'll save myself some effort. Shotgun, combine. Shotgun bullets. If you say so. I have no idea how long I've been recording. Streaming. We're leaving. We're leaving soon. Now we have to shoot these guys. There they are. Only one hit. That's weird. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, you? Ah, they're shooting. So do I get in now? Do I get in? Yes. Okay, we're out of here. I don't believe the game's over. No. I don't believe the game's over. No. You see? We made it. I mean, made it. Helicopter port. Okay, we're leaving, but I don't think it's over. We have to fight the tyrant. He didn't come back to life for nothing.
Get in the helicopter!
There he is. Oh, he's got the Spider-Man pose. Spider-Man.
Still alive.
Yes, and this time... Let's go. Okay, change gun. Whoo, he's gonna hit me. So... Shotgun, equip. Okay, empty gun. By the way, I'm playing this on normal mode, huh? He's gone. Oh, he's mutating into something stronger. Oh, he's turning into something bigger. Come on. Okay. Come on. No way. I'm missing the frickin' grenade launcher, huh? I'm missing the grenade launcher. I don't think I'm gonna do this. I'm starting to doubt myself. Where am I gonna continue? Oh, am I gonna have to do this again? All over. Oh man, this checkpoint sucks. Here's what we're gonna do. Come on. I need to do this. I wanna do this now. Oh yeah, master key. Or whatever. I'm gonna try. Of course you hit me. Of course you hit me. Oh, you're kidding me. I'm missing that first aid spray that I didn't pick up, and the grenade launcher. I don't have the grenade launcher. I don't know what I'm supposed to do without it. Oh, come on. Can we just skip this thing? No? I guess not.
Get in the helicopter! It's still alive.
Yes, it is. Here's what we're gonna do. No! I'm gonna look around to see if there's any items, but nope. Nope, 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 nope. No, I must defeat the monster. I know, I wanna defeat the monster, but... No! Uh-oh. I'm still on fine right now, so we're good. Come on, there should have been at least some ammunition or something. I'm back. I'm down to fine now. Caution, I mean. Ah! I dodged it. Okay, so now I have a few shotgun shells. Stick and move. Loggy, stick and move. What? Whew. Now I saved 8 shotgun shells, so I'm hoping that this will make a difference. We'll see. It's gonna mutate again. This is a pure example of what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I didn't kill him, so he's getting stronger. Ugh, come on, I need to get a nap. I need to take a nap. Now, change the gun. Equip. Where are the shotgun shells? I have so many acid rounds and I don't have the gun. I don't know what happened. Nope, nope. Combine. Alright. I has the shotgun bullets now. Take it. Is he? Oh. Back to using the gun. It's empty, is it? Yeah. Where's the freaking pistol? There it is. Are you ready, buddy? Go! Oh, no! Wow! Wow! I'm not gonna give up. Let's try again. Until I run out of continues. I totally forgot that there was an arcade style continue here. Okay. I have to do the whole thing again. Dang it.
Get on the train! Hurry!
I'm regretting playing this on normal. I want to eliminate the soldiers, but Come on, let's get rid of them. Ah, my goodness! My goodness! Bye. No! No! I'm down to caution, my goodness. I am down to caution. I'm not gonna do anything now. Ah. Oh, no way! No, I'm gonna die. I'm on danger already. No, this is messed up. I'm not gonna do this. Nope, no hope. No hope. I really wanted to see the ending of this game. I forgot the ending. I'm down to danger. So cheap. I can't believe there's no healing items or anything close by. Come on, I'm fighting the last boss and I don't have... I'm sorry, I'm complaining too much. I'm gonna shut up now.
Get in the helicopter!
I don't stand a chance.
It's still alive.
Yes, it is. Bye. No, no! I'm gonna go for the shotgun. Shotgun bullets combine. Here we go, here we go. Ah! Empty. I died. I gave it my best. One last try. It looks like it's the last bullet. Come on, I need to take a nap now.
Get on the train! Hurry!
5 minutes to detonation. All personnel evacuate immediately. Repeat. All personnel evacuate immediately.
The freaking soldiers here I can't avoid. Dang it. Let's try one more time. Whoa, that one's... Oh, come on, come on. I'm still on fine, still on fine. I need to pick this up, I forgot. Come on, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Alright, maybe we can do this. There's still hope. I want to check something, hang on. No. What the heck, come on. Alright, so let's combine shotgun. Alright, let's go. One last chance. to redeem ourselves.
Get in the helicopter! It's still alive.
It is, it is. Shoot it in the face. Dang it. Dang it. No. Alright. Now I will equip the shotgun and I'll start running like crazy. And I'll try the stick and move thing that Sam suggested. Oh, he's gonna get bigger. Hang on. No, no. Wow, he's all up in my face. I'm on danger. Oh, man. I don't stand a chance. I'm sorry. I failed you. I failed you guys. Run, run. I got 2 shells left. Ah, I tried. I really tried. There's no other continue, eh? No! I really thought I was gonna do it. Ah, man. I'm gonna have to quit. I'm gonna have to call it a day. Because I need to take a nap. I work nights, and if I don't sleep now, I never will. Would you like to save the weapons you've obtained? I guess. This might make my life easier. Okay, to quit saving, yes. Okay. Alright guys. Thanks. I failed everyone. Man, I really wanted to do this, but the thing is I haven't played this in 16 years and I went on normal mode instead of going on easy for the first time. Because, come on, let's face it, in a way, it is my first time after 16 years. So anyway, I'll try again. I will definitely try this game again. Maybe next time I won't fail. Next time I definitely won't fail. There was a first aid spray that I didn't pick up, that I didn't think it was going to make much difference. But it did. And I never saw the grenade launcher. So anyway, thanks so much for showing up. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Where's the quit button? Where's the quit button? There it is.